Happy New Year 2020 class. I hope you all had a fabulous break. I know I did. I've assigned a creative writing prompt for you to share with us the best part of your vacation time. As students submit their writings, we'll be able to share today and tomorrow. As I wrote in the announcement section of Seesaw, as well as an email to your parents, we will still be posting work in Seesaw with the result of your work in Plus Portal. So not only will you get your assignments in Seesaw, but your parents will be able to see if work has been completed by checking in Plus Portal. This will help for you to be held accountable for work assignments. I will ask that your parent regularly check to help you stay on track so you do not get behind. By doing this, you will have a smoother transition to 5th grade when they solely use Plus Portal for assignments and not Seesaw. I can't wait to see you guys at 8:30. Let's make it a great Tuesday.